Nagaland da Congress ki sahum leitabagum Manipur ki su Congress muthatlashi haina Nagaland ki Deputy Chief Minister Yanthungo Patton na phongdokhre. Taranipan suba Lok Sabha election da Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency da NDA gi mapang uriba NPF ki mirep kasu Timothy Jimiking asi Sandel District ki Leipung Village da pangthokiba election campaign da saruk yakiba Yanthungo Patton na waphamasi phongdokhibani. NPF amasung BJP gi lusingba kya su saruk yakiba thorom aduda Deputy Chief Minister Yanthungo Patton na makha tana phongdokhibada election asida mirep oiriba amagidamak NPF NPP BJP na punduna campaign tawmina bahibasi atang mani Congress ki web asi awang nopok state singda tamna hantharakliba asiga loinana Manipur dagi Congress muthalasi haiki Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi lenga asida ngasi fawbada awang nopok state singbu lumna lawduna leibak asi sakhotpada sithaba yaroi haina thabak paikhali haiki
For your development, for your infrastructure, when before the leader of Delhi, 2026, there is going to be delimitation. We are going to exercise. Delimitation is going to be implemented in 2026 during our BJP rule in Center. Even if in some areas, in some states, if they elect Congress, they will be in the opposition. For those, they will not get chair to sit also in the parliament. They will sit in a small murah.
Election campaign adu saruk yakiba NPF ki candidate Kasui Timothy Jimingna haikibada board karaba matungda miyam gi apam masing thabak to onthoktuna miyam gi seba tawbuna mangda thamlaga thabak tawgani Kanglup kya suna khundariba lamdam asida hanadi nungsi sanana laiminaram labasu hojik tholiba irang asuna lamdam asida tangdu leitadaba phibam ama ohelli Hana sunabana santi porakpa ngamloi miyam puna thengnaba awaba oibana santi hanjilakna bapuna honaminasi miyam gi bona India gi parliament ta thabirabadi irang asi loisinduna saukhatpa lamdam ama oina ba honabada ahanba thodang oigini haiki
In my state of Manipur, we have many communities and we have been living together in peace. But now, the Nagas, the Kugis, the Meiteis are not happy anymore about the situation in Manipur. And therefore, it is good to solve it. We should not make our problem unsolvable. Every problem has an answer. And I think that required is we find that solution. Therefore, we need to solve this problem that we are facing today together and collectively. All my efforts should be given to bring peace and develop our state.